Good morning, everybody. It is 7:30 on a Saturday, entirely too early, but Mom and I are going to be making sugar cookies because Tom and Josh are going to come over and have a sugar cookie decorating party. Traditionally, we do gingerbread house decorating, and I'll link those videos below if you haven't seen them. This year, we thought we'd switch it up a little bit. So Mom and I are actually going to prep the dough now because it needs to sit for 2 hours before we can roll it out, cut it, and bake it. And then we'll actually decorate them, obviously, once they've come out and they've cooled. But because they're coming over at 12, we need to make sure all that prep is done before that. So we're doing that now. And then in the meantime, I will also show like getting ready. If you saw my winter like Christmassy haul, I showed that Abel and I have matching SpongeBob and Patrick sweaters from Marshalls, so it's full ham. I'm so excited. So let's get this dough prepped.
Yeah, let's use this one because this one's open.
I went ahead and prepared the ingredients, so I'm going to kind of run you through that, and then the first step, then I'm just going to go ahead and do it twice because we're doubling the recipe. So it calls for 3 cups of flour, which I have here. It calls for 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, which I have here. Then 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which I've got there. 1 cup of unsalted butter softened, which we have here. 1 cup of sugar, there in the back. 1 egg beaten. 1 tablespoon of milk, which I'm gonna pour into my tablespoon thing here, but I didn't have another container to put it in. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sift together in the big bowl flour, baking soda, and salt set aside. We're gonna place the butter and sugar in a large bowl of an electric stand mixer. We've got our KitchenAid right here, and beat until light in color. Add egg and milk and beat to combine. Put mixer on low speed, gradually add the flour and beat until mixture pulls away from the sides of the bowl. Divide the dough in half, wrap it in wax paper, and refrigerate for 2 hours. So essentially you're doing like a wet and a dry, adding them together, beating them, creating the dough. We're gonna pull it out, divide it in 2, put it in the fridge for 2 hours for the prep. Oh goodness, and then I gotta do that twice.
We're gonna make lots of cookies.
Lots of cookies. Oh, and this sugar cookie recipe is from Alton Brown from Food Network. I'll type it up and have it in the description, or have the link to it if you guys want to use the exact same one. So. Alrighty, dough babies are in the fridge. Mom and I were just saying the dough is not the nervous part. The nervous part is rolling it out. Oh gosh, that's heavy. It's with one hand. Rolling it out and actually making the cookies out of it. But we're going to be positive. What I want to do is toot Mom's charcuterie making board skills over here. Look at this thing. It's the sprinkle board for when we decorate. It's so cute.
I'm excited. It's gonna be fun.
Oh, and we've got icing and sprinkles and like snacks. It's really cute.
I got real snacks, but
Real snacks. Ready to roll out the dough. Gonna get a workout in and get sweaty in my Christmas sweater.
yeah,
Before
you have them on.
I know. Well, I was like getting ready, so. You gotta take a picture of that.
Go into the. Good job.
That's so fun.
Okay. Now you're gonna see this is gonna be a lot easier to move around. But let's see what we can get out of here. Which one?
Cute.
Yeah, this one.
I'm so excited to decorate. Some of them are a little burnt. Sorry about that.
No, my favorite. That's
So
my
those are the
favorite.
ones you just decorate to look pretty and don't eat?
Oh no, those are my favorite. Oh, I
Really?
love-
The burnt ones?
Yeah, the sugar is even more caramelized, so they're sweeter.
Oh, is this just a plain one?
I think you're just saying that. It'd be nice.
I mean, I love them. No, I do love. I love a burnt cookie. I love a burnt cookie.
Is this just
We've got Tom's cookies. Look like they came out of a magazine. I love Josh's, all his beautiful sprinkles. And then here's some of mine. Abel ate his as he decorated, so I have none to show for Abel. But this has been really fun. It's taken us a long time to decorate. It takes longer than I thought.